Hey Karen, this is Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. You've been talking to Sydney about this new 2018 F350. This truck in particular is the white gold with the stone gray bottom. It's an F350 Lariat. Now it is the long bed, so it'll be great for pulling a camper or anything like that. 4-wheel drive, 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. It's got the spray-in bed liner. It's also got the 5th wheel gooseneck prep package. Also has a tailgate step as well to help you get in and out of the bed easily. 4-wheel drive. It's got the tow package down here with your recessed hitch and all that good stuff. It's a really pretty truck. It's got the big long running boards on it. Show you the interior here. Black interior. Power outlets in the back along with rear air. This one's also got the 360-degree trailer tow camera. Big screen up front, Sync 3, Bluetooth connectivity, all that good stuff. Sorry about that, my phone was ringing. But here you go. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a shout. Thanks so much.